When we talk about China, always we will talk about factory. And we will talk about the automatic factory, industry factory, smart factory, data center factory, etc. From hardware to software, from the real world to the virtual world. And more are digitalization. To support and meet this trend, HARTING created more and more products like HAM modular, HAM modular, single-pair Ethernet, M12, push-pull, etc. Follow the standard. To be the pioneer of the standardization, talk with the world through standardized language is one way to go. HARTING initiated that all for Ethernet, two for all, and all for two, from power to powerful. And we, HARTING, are ready to join the development with our partner together in China. Thank you.